In this video, I want to talk about if you can buy fractional shares on eToro. Now, to quickly answer the question, yes, you can buy fractional shares, and let me just quickly explain how. You want to head over to Discover and find whatever you want to do it from, can be stocks or whatever. I'll just choose anything. Then you want to press the trade button. And what we want to do is we want to buy, and here where it says amount, we want to make sure this is in dollars and not in shares. So if this is in shares, it's difficult to do it. But if you just put in dollars, you can just say, let's say you want to do $10, right? Then you can do fractional. So of course, these are not worth a lot, but what in this right here, and you just put in $10, you can see you can now buy a fraction of the share. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.